bring to you yet another miracle story from the world of the disabled.
The driving force has been Akhil, my son.
My name is Akhil B. Sriram. I am associated with this organization. I am the social marketing executive.
Mutually beneficial activities from it.
We started with the Jambu Center with 7 girls in a small flat which was given for use by one of the parents. Just a 1-bedroom hall kitchen. And then the next thing was moving in of some more boys where we had to take a bigger flat there. And then the next one was Powai, and here we started the residential care along with the daycare. And then of course the other services moved in slowly. But then we got some 2 bungalows in Gorai, and there we have shifted the boys now. So the boys hostel is in Gorai and full-fledged residential place. And Powai houses about 12 ladies here.
What began in a small 2-room apartment in Chembur has now grown to have 5 satellite centers all over Mumbai and a growing community of corporates, helpers, trainers, teachers, counselors and parents joining in to help as volunteers. Let us listen to them as they share with us their work, their hopes, their dreams and plans for the future.
मेरा नाम मनीषा गुरके है। मैं गए 8 साल से मैं MBA फाउंडेशन में रह रही हूँ। आज मैं ट्रांसलेशन कंपनी में गए 6 साल से काम कर रही हूँ। 5:30 बजे घर पे लौटती हूँ, घर पे मीन्स अपने सेंटर में। तो वहाँ पे जो और लड़कियाँ हैं, अभी पवई में लड़कियों के लिए है और गोराई में लड़कों के लिए रहने की सुविधा है। वहाँ पे उनकी देखभाल करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, मतलब उनको क्या चाहिए, जो केयर टेकर है उनसे वो करवा के लेना, ये हमारा ये काम है। तो हम तीनों, मैं चंदा शारदा, वहाँ पे सबकी ऐसे देखभाल करते हैं।
मेरा नाम चंदा है, मैं यहाँ पे 7 साल से रह रही हूँ। ये हमारा स्कीम है डिग्निटी फाउंडेशन फॉर डिसेबल करके। तो जो स्कीम है तो हम लोगों को मैसेज पहुँचाते कि हमारा ये आप हमारा यहाँ 1500 रुपया भरिए तो हमारी चीज़ें लीजिए। जैसे कि 1 साल का 1500 भरेंगे तो 3 में क्वार्टरली 375 का सामान हम देते हैं और होम डिलीवरी करते हैं। तो इससे यही है कि हमारा यहाँ एक्टिविटी बहुत सारा मिलता है बच्चे।
मेरा नाम शारदा जितेकर है। मैं पनवेल की रहने वाली हूँ, लेकिन मैं 8 साल से यहाँ पे MBA फाउंडेशन में रहती हूँ। मैं पहले जब आई तो ये एक स्टूडेंट बनकर यहाँ पे आई थी, लेकिन कुछ दिनों के बाद मुझे यहाँ पे जो बच्चे रहते हैं उनको कैसे मैनेज करना है, कैसे संभालना है, इसलिए मुझे ट्रेनिंग दिया गया है। और इस ट्रेनिंग के बाद मैं अभी एक एडमिन डिपार्टमेंट में मैं काम कर रही हूँ।
My name is Taruna. I'm working as a counselor and a psychotherapist out here. It's been 4 years now. I have been dealing with the problems like autism, retardation, cerebral palsy, epileptic patients, psychosis. So all kind of age groups in this, from maybe 1 year onwards till 50 years you can say.
My name is Deepa. I'm working MBA Foundation. I'm taking care of the 2 friends. So they're able to walk, taking care of her.
I am Srinath. I take boys every day in the morning. I'll take yoga for them, and I am helping Trushit, who is hand fracture. So उसको help करके मैं बड़ा helping करता हूँ।
मेरा नाम नेमिश है। मैं ठाणे में रहता हूँ, वृंदावन में रहता हूँ और मैं एनवलप ग्रीटिंग कार्ड और अगरबत्ती पैकिंग में करता हूँ।
मेरा नाम रोहिणी रविंद्र मोरे है। हाँ, मैं MBA फाउंडेशन में स्पेशल एजुकेटर हूँ। यहाँ पे मैं बच्चों लोगों को वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग देती हूँ। यहाँ पे हमारे यहाँ पे पेपर बैग्स है, गिफ्ट एनवलप है, फिनेल, लिक्विड, अगरबत्ती, फैंसी पेपर बैग बनाए जाते हैं। फिर साड़ी पाउचेस है, ज्वेलरी पाउचेस है, कैटल बैग। यहाँ पे अलग अलग तरह की एक्टिविटी बच्चों लोगों के पास से ली जाती है और मोस्टली ये देखा जाता है कि बच्चे इंडिपेंडेंटली किस तरह से काम करें।
I'm Jayashree Patil. I've been working with MBA Foundation from last 10 years. I'm in the placement for the persons with disability, the people who are educated and they don't get job. We have an executive development training program for them. It's a 6 months weekend program where we train this candidate and try to place them in corporate companies.
Right now I can mention that early childhood intervention is for the children between the age of 6 months to 8 to 9 years. This service is available in Powai and Gorai. Coaching for NOS is another thing. Completing SSC and HSC for those who have dropped out, for whatever reason they could have dropped out because of their inability to go to a school. Executive development and training program for people who are educated but not employed. So we prepare them for a job and also help them with placement, vocational training and daycare occupation and life care. That is the residential facilities. We take them right from the age of 18 towards fruitful occupation. They make things, they give services, they earn a stipend out of that. They get group therapy, they get individual therapy, whether it is psychological, whether it is physical, whatever as per their need. And they work in groups. It's again like an extended family, I would say. We try as much as possible to give them an extended family situation.
When we analyzed the requirements of the needs of disabled persons and the senior citizens retired, they are saying both want company, both want friends, both want activities, both want relaxation, therapy, etc. So suddenly we got an idea, why not combine these two and call it God's Dignity Villages and create small villas. Those who can afford a small one-bedroom villa, will give them one. Those who can afford only a one-bedroom flat, will give them that. Those who can afford only a studio apartments, will give them that. Those who cannot afford anything, we will give them a dormitory accommodation. Plus an activity center, administration center, where all these will be available. That is a dream plan. The latest we have launched is a social marketing initiative, thrust towards social marketing, which means mainstreaming these youngsters into society, giving them or finding them jobs. Those who are fit for matrimony, get a matrimonial site for them. And then the items they produce either in our shelter care centers or in their own homes, those who cannot go out of their homes. We will give them jobs in their own homes, but the items have to be sold. So we have to find suitable outlets for them, so that it can be a gainful occupation.
Mrs. Vasanta Krishnaswamy. As I passed my road, I found the God's Heaven. So I was just wondering what it is. I came inside. We were staying at Thane. So over there is a school known as Sri Ma Sneha. I was doing my social work over there. So since I got some experience with those people, then I found it, why not help these children also? And I get the mental satisfaction that I can do something for these children.
So our appeal is come out, speak out, support, and make these 8 crores of people Indians happy.
इस ज़मीं से आसमां शायद बहुत ही